Hello, welcome to TechByte Network. Today I will show you how to make an easy LAN in Cisco Packet Tracer. First off, we are going down to this lightning symbol and take this copper straight, that black line. And then we will take PC1, take the port and choose port 01. And do the same with this, but instead to take 1, you will take 2. Then we will go down, take the same cable, press this, go to giga 01, and then I usually go with 00. You can go with 01, it depends on, it's like a preference, but I will go with 00. And now we can fast forward the time. Now you will see that these are green. The computers to the switch, they are connected, but switch to router, it's not connected. Therefore, we will need to open these ports. The switch are already open. It's the router that blocks the connection. So we will go into the router, go to CLE. Here you will write no, and then you will write enable conf terminal, and then you're into the config page. Here you can write all the commands, and now we will want to go into the port. So we will write interface G00. Now we are into the port. Here we will write no shutdown. Shutdown means that it's shut down. So if we write no shutdown, it will open the port. So now it turned green. It turned also orange because it's not fully connected. You can go down, press the arrow, and it will turn green. So now it's up. The ports are connected and everything, but we need to give an IP address to the router too. So we will stay in the port. We will write IP add, then the IP address. In this case, we will use 192.168.1.254. And then we will write the mask. In this case, we will use /24, and that's 255.255.255.0. And then just press enter. It won't show you anything or anything, like it won't send anything back. To see if it has given the IP address, you will write do show run, and then press space till you come down to this again. Then you will be scrolling up, interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0. Then you will see the IP address, and in this case it worked. So now we are done with the router at the moment. Just close that down, and then we will go into PC1. And when you come into PC1, you will press desktop and then IP config. And when you're here, you will go to IPv4. Then you will write into the IP on that computer. And in this case, we will use 1. So 192.168.1.1. And when I press down here, it will give me the mask. So now we're done over here, but we need to give the gateway. The gateway is the IP on the router. So in this case, it's 192.168.1.254. And now we are fully done with this PC. We can close that down, go to PC2, go to desktop, and do the same over here. But now we will need to use another IP. In this case, we will use 2. So 192.168.1.2. and the mask we will be given 225 255 255 255 This is the mask of /24. You have masks that are from like 30 and down. This mask has 254 addresses, and that's why I gave the router 254, because it's the last IP on it. Same with the PC, I gave the first IP address in that LAN. So the same here. Oh, sorry, I messed that up. So now we need to give the getaway. That's the IP on the router. Now we're done. We can copy this. We can go into the command prompt, write ping, then just press right click and then paste and remove the 2 and replace it with 1. Now when we write this, it will send like a package. In this case, it sends 4 packages, and first it will go up to the switch and then to the router, and from the router go down to the switch and back to that computer, because we wrote in that IP address. Now you see it sent 4, it received 4. And if it doesn't work on the first 2, it's not a problem. You don't mess anything up. So if that happens, just press arrow up and then enter it again, and you will see that it has sent 4 and received 4. If it doesn't work, if it looks like this, it takes time and it doesn't reply or something, it comes up a request timeout or something, then you have a problem, because then you have written something wrong. And then you will need to check the IP addresses on both the PC2, PC1 and the router. So just check the IP addresses and it should work. So this is a simple LAN. It just took 8 minutes, and then and I explained everything too. So this should usually take maximum 2 minutes.